Next condom is in response to what a number of people were saying. They were saying that the other condom that had been introduced by government did not smell so well, and it made a noise whenever it was used. Now, through scientific development, we were able to develop a new condom which is called Max. The Max is for maximum pleasure, maximum protection, and it does not make noise at all. And it comes in different flavors. If you want a grape flavor, you can get a grape flavor.
Point of order, sir.
If you want an apple flavor, you can get an apple flavor.
Point of order, sir.
Here's a point of order. What's the point of order, Honorable Filtane?
Who cares to listen to noise at that time?
That's not a point of order, Honorable